So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, if you see Windows Explorer, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Your screen's going to go black and it's going to return to normal. See if that works. For the second method, you want to right click on your desktop and then hover over View and then select Auto Arrange Icons. See if that works. For the next method, you want to right click on your desktop again, hover over View, and then make sure that you have Align Icons to Grid selected. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in Display Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your scale is either on 100% or it's on the recommended percentage for your monitor. Also, make sure that your display resolution is correct. For the next method, right click on your desktop, hover over View, and then select Show Desktop Icons, which will now hide your icons. Now, you want to right click on your desktop again, View, and then select Show Desktop Icons again, which will now appear again. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully that will fix your problem.